We're going to do some animals. What type of animal is this one? A moo cow. I'll pass it over to you, and you put your cow on your farm somewhere. What's this one?
That
Marley, what's this one?
pig.
A pig. Where are you going to put your pig on your farm? Oh, in a train. What's this one, Marley? Marley, what's this animal?
Cat.
A cat. That's it.
No.
You dropped your pig. Here's your pig. Here it is. Now we've got... What's this one, Marley? What's this animal? What's this one? A bunny rabbit. Bunny rabbit, where's that going on your farm? Oh, it's going in there. Oh, no. What's this one? Marley, what's this animal? Ah, it's a sheep, isn't it? Where's the sheep going on the farm? Marley, here's your sheep. Where's it going on the farm?
No sheep.
Sheep.
No Daddy. Alright. Nice sheep.
You like that sheep, do you?
Shucks.
And what's this one? Marley, what's this one? A dog. Where's the dog going on your farm? What's this one? Marley, what's this one? A horse. Where's the horse going on your farm? Who's asleep? The horse? What about this one? Who's this? Marley, what's this one? A mouse. Where's the mouse going on your farm? What about this one? Who is it?
No cat.
Who is it?
No,
Is this a chicken? It's a baby chick.
no cat.
Marley, what about this one? Do you know what this one is?
Horse.
It does look like a horse. It would either be an alpaca or a llama. I'm not really sure. Could be an alpaca.
Papa.
Alpaca. Can you say alpaca?
Pata.
Paca.
Pata.